Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today in Tip and Trick I will show you how to make knitting wool into a felt wool. You see here my felting set, but you don't need to buy a set, you just have to buy felting needles. Here is the minimum you need in order to felt. Small, medium and large felting needle, an old leather glove to protect your finger, a firm cushion, wool, a cat brush. Here you see the close-up of the needle. They are triangle and have notches on the side. It's the notches that allow the wool to be felt. Here are my tip and tricks. If you don't have wool for felting, you can use leftover knitting wool, but you will have to prepare it before use it for felting work. As you can see, I have wool spun to 2 strands. Since I need an unspun wool, I will separate the 2 strands and card them to give me a wool to felt. It's easy with this gray wool because it's not spun tightly. Here I use a cat brush to card it. The tighter your wool is, the more difficult it is. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend.